Hello students, this is Shamaton sir, and today we have to learn what is the turning of a shape. A shape can be turned in the either clockwise or anti-clockwise, like this. If I turn from left to right, then the turn will be called clockwise turn. But if we turn from right to left, then the turn is called anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Understood everyone? What is the clockwise turn and what is the anti-clockwise turn? A shape can be turned in either the clockwise or either the anti-clockwise direction. It can be turned just little or by full. So in our syllabus, just two turn, quarter turn and half turn. So what is a quarter turn? Now try to understand what is a quarter turn using some example. So think that this is a chalk. If I want to turn according to anti-clockwise, then this is the first turn. Now this turn is called quarter turn. Understood? Now if I turn again, then it will be this position. So again this is a quarter turn, and again from here to here this is a quarter turn. So understood? So how quarter turn means from here to here one quarter turn, from here to here two quarter turn, from here to here three quarter turn, and from here to here four quarter turn. But if I said what is a half turn, think that here is the picture. Then if I take this picture like this, now this is a half turn. So from here to here, like this, a reflection into the mirror. Understood what is a quarter turn and what is a half turn? Now try to solve some question. So try to question number 1 of exercise 13.2. Here is the given question. Question number A of 1. This picture is like this. Put a tick on the shapes that looks like the same after the quarter turn. After quarter turn, let's think that here is a point. But if we take a quarter turn according to clockwise, then what we will get? This portion changes to this portion. So like this, and here is the point. Just tell me, these are the same picture after quarter turn? No. So these are not same picture. Now try to solve another question. Question number C. Here is the picture like this. Think that here is a point, and you have to turn according to this point and according to anti-clockwise. So if we turn this picture, so what do we get? We get the same picture. We get the same picture. If you turn a ball, then what you will get? You will get any changes from the ball? No, you didn't get any changes. So this circle same after quarter turn. Think that here is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle, and I want to take a turn from here. So what we will get? We will get a quarter turn like this. So this and this are two same picture. Just tell me, these are two same? No, this looks like a this and this looks like a this. So they are not same after a quarter turn. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 2. The given question is put a tick on the shapes that looks the same after half turn. So try to solve question number B. Half turn means fully reflection. So here is a oval shape and here is point. If we take a half turn, this it should be reflection. So we have to draw this picture like this. Now tell me, these two pictures are same? Yes, these two pictures are same. So it looks like a same. Again, all the pictures are here same after a full half turn. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all the problem at your home. Now try to solve question number 3. Here is the given question. Draw the shape as it will look after a quarter turn and a half turn in the clockwise direction. Now here is the picture. If I take a quarter turn, then what we will get? We will get same like this. Understood? Now if we changes from quarter to half, then what we will get? We will get like this. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all the problem of ABC. Now try to solve another question. Question number D. Here is the given question. A triangle. If you want to a quarter change, then what you will get? You will get like this. Now if you want to a half change, then what you will get? You will get this picture changes from to this picture. Understood? So this is our answer. Now you can solve all the problem of 13.2. If have you any problem, then WhatsApp me. Understood? Okay. Bye. Thank you.